To replace this fog light from the back side, I'm going to first unplug it. There we go. Once the wiring is set aside, take an 8mm socket, and there are 3 bolts up top that need to be removed. Go ahead and break these free. I sprayed them with rust penetrant as much as I could so that hopefully they don't break. Support the fog light, and once this bolt comes out, you can remove the whole assembly with the bracket. And I haven't separated the fog light from the bracket because mine comes with a new bracket. But if for some reason you only have the fog light, not the whole bracket and everything, you would just pop these metal clips off, and then the fog light slides right out of this bracket and you can go ahead and reuse it. Now take your new assembly, slide it in here, and line it up. Grab your bolts and slide them in. And once the first one is started, it's a lot easier to line up the other 2. Let's go ahead and tighten all these. Perfect. Grab your electrical connector, plug in the bulb. Now do the same thing to the other side, and then to align the lights, you would use a little socket on here, and basically what this threaded rod will do is push the bottom in or out, and that's going to aim the beam up and down depending on what you need to do to adjust it properly.